Hey everyone, it is Dr. Kyle, and I want to take a minute tonight to talk about and address one of the more common questions that I get from patients here in the office, whether it's a first-time patient and we're doing an initial evaluation, or it's a longer-term patient that's trying to find a balance between seeing their general practitioner and seeing their chiropractor. And that's this understanding or this belief that chiropractors and medical doctors don't like each other, that they hate each other, that they can't coexist. And I'll tell you, a lot of that is rooted in a long history where there have been certain legal battles, there have been actions that have been taken where it really confused patients and it led to a really unfortunate, hostile relationship. And I'll tell you that when it comes to the chiropractors and the doctors here at Chiropractic First of Rockford, the approach that we take is that medicine has its place under certain conditions, and chiropractic has its place under certain conditions. Chiropractic philosophy is all about removing the subluxations or the limitations that prevent your body from healing and functioning to the best of its ability every second of the day. And so primarily that's done through chiropractic adjustments that take pressure off the spine and joints, but it also is by addressing things like nutrition and detox protocols, reducing stress, getting proper exercise. There's a large array of things that allow your body to function in the healthiest way possible. Medicine, however, tends to focus more on putting things into the body like medicines, or taking things out of the body with surgeries in a way to try and get it to alleviate symptoms. So here's where that relationship can benefit you in both ways. Medicine is beneficial when there's an extreme circumstance and your life has to be saved. Right now, if you're in a car accident, you go through a windshield, you need to go to a medical doctor. You need to do whatever is necessary to stabilize your body so that you don't bleed out, so that you don't have long-term damage. If you're having a heart attack, you need to go to the emergency room and take whatever they need to do to stabilize your heart to make sure it's functioning and beating for the next minute, the next day, the next week, the next month. There's a time and place where medicine will absolutely save your life. And thankfully, we live in a country that has some of the best doctors, the best procedures, the best imaging. We have those resources where you have the best chance to have that save you. However, when you're not in that life-threatening situation, that is where chiropractic and the focus on allowing your body to heal and function truly shines. And that's where the differentiation has to be. If you're looking for health and wellness, you're better off looking at a holistic approach, including chiropractic for better function. If you need your life saved in an emergency, medicine is the absolute way to go. One of the best examples I've ever heard described for this is, imagine your house is burning down. If your house is burning down, you call the fire department, and the fire department's going to come and they're going to use high pressure hoses. They're going to use lots of water. They're going to use chemicals. They're going to use axes and hammers. They are going to break down windows. They're going to do everything they need to do to save your house as much as possible. And the goal is simply to make sure that there's something there for you when the fire goes out. Now, the next day when you start to rebuild your house, you don't call back the same firefighters with their big axes and their big hoses. You call a carpenter that's using nails and hammers and levels, and you're using small, gentle tools. Now, if you imagine your body as a house, if your house is burning down, if your body's in crisis, medicine is the firefighter that will save your life. But when you're looking for health and wellness, we're looking for pain management, when you're looking for longer-term issues, someone that comes in with a much more gentle tool, and chiropractic can offer that, that's where chiropractic shines. So remember, that's the best analogy I've come up with. I hope that relates so you can imagine then where that balance is between medicine and chiropractors. We don't hate each other. We want to see our patients do well, thrive, and live the quality of life they deserve. It's just a different approach for that. Have a wonderful night. I can't wait to see you again soon.